How to stop TikTok from crashing on iPhone. Firstly, open App Store on your device and search for the TikTok app. Here, look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, click on the update option. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the option General. Click on the General option and select Software Update. Look for any updates that may be available for the system. Click on iPhone Storage and scroll down. Look for the TikTok app and click on it. Now select Upload App and upload your app. Now go back to your home page. Open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile. At the top right corner, click on the three-line icon. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the bottom. Click on Report a Problem. You can select any of the genre, but select Report Direct Message. At the bottom, click on No, then select Need More Help. Now here you can chat with TikTok support to describe your problem. That's all for today. Thank you.